Hello, this is Yi-Chun Hsieh, and today I'm going to talk about Lab 5. In this lab, there are four parts. Is For the first part is about numerical integration, which we need to design a car airbags to meet the head injury criterion, which is about to helping people pre to invent or design a new airbags to save people from the aircraft, from the car crash. And we need, and there are two equations that we need to use. One is without airbags, one is with the airbags. And then with these two equations, then we can see that there are a lot of difference from the result that we're gonna talk about later. For the second one, it's about a differential equation. It's the emergency room modeling. So in this step, then we need to model two scenario. The first is the emergency room, like such as the number of the beds or the number of people in that room. And the second one is the ICU room, and it's modeling almost the same stuff. And next is the heart rate analysis. In this part, we need to download the heart rate signal from online, then convert it to the Excel file and do some modeling to make it become some real number, a visible number. For the final part is the game development. This game is about the follow the line, and you will know later. So let's move on to the first one, the airbags. And in this airbags, we just follow the equation that we see just now. So let's run it. And we can see the result is like this. And it's that means just two. So this is yeah, this is right. Okay, it's the X label is the time and the Y label is the acceleration. We need to find the maximum of the acceleration that we need to prevent people from injury during the car crash. So this is the airbag model. So for the next one is the emergency room modeling. In this room, I just set a variable of doctor, nurse, and the total bed. And also the people come per hour to 5 and leaves is 4. And there are 0.7 people need bed. So after run the result, we will see that uh, the emergency room capacity is full quickly. It's overflow in almost at the moment when the hospital is open, but the room capacity is until maybe about 85 hours later. So the next one is almost the same, but it's about the ICU. So that's from the result. We'll see that it's a little bit different because I set the different variables, such as the rate, the regular rate, and the ICU rate, and also the total bed and ICU bed. So for the next one is the wave, is a heart rate simulation. So in this part, first we need to go to online to go to this website. It's called Heartbeat Sound. In this website, we can download different. They provide a various heartbeat signal, and we can choose any of them and download it as the WAV file, WAV file. Then we use the WAV to CSV.py to convert it to an Excel file. Then the result will look like it's similar like this, but we need to change some data in it, and like here, we need to change it to the Excel file and dividing the number by 1000. Then save it as the O file. So it's the txt file like this one. So this is the final result. Then we need to use another Python code to make it become a visible number. So in this Python code, we need to pip install this package, then import, then convert the txt, import the txt in it, and let's run it. Then we can see that we can get the BPM, the bits per minute, and the IPI, a different number. So to conclude, we just convert all the signal of the sound into the number that we can see in real life. So for the final one is the gameplay. It's about following the number. In this part, we just add more dots and level up, and we have only one chance to play this game. If you failed, you died. And add multiple sets of dots, and also the record time. So let's run the code. And you can see that there are two sets of dots in it. It's a red and also blue dots. So let's test it. If we fail once, then we will lose. So if I click in random press, it shows that you missed one time. You have 0 more times to get wrong, so you lose. So let's run it again. So if we just follow the dots like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, first 9, 9, 10, 11. So once we press the final button, the result will show that you have pressed 12 times, and which means that you got 12 points. And all the time you play this game is 30.1 seconds. So this is the game that I designed. Yeah, and I think that's all about the Lab 5. Thank you.